To make a small fortune in Formula One, you need to start with a big fortune. 18 years ago, it cost me 25 million to get my team into Formula One. Next season, it's going to cost 50 million pounds. It's going to cost 50 million pounds. And it's not just about gambling the entire pot on the best drivers.
Uns jugadors que cobren milions de pesset.
There are 6 key areas where to spend the money. The car, 12 million pounds.
I això en euros quan és?
Me, the key area of the spend within the budget. You could spend any amount of money in this area. Within the aero package, you've got the people in the wind tunnel, which will be going 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Claro, un torniquete en el cuello para que no pueda respirar.
And there's no limit or no end to the amount of money you can spend in this area.
Ho sento, però me planto,
The engine and the gearbox, 8 million pounds. Believe it or not, one engine can cost you up to £500,000. I remember very distinctly, 18 years ago, maybe 8 engines being used per weekend. And indeed, there's only that number for the entire season now.
Bueno, sí, però mai se sap,
The FIA have been able to find significant savings with the cap on the number of engines used for the season.
Aquest és el dia més feliç de la meva vida.
Racing and testing, I've allocated £8 million for that.
Mare meva!
There has been significant cost saving again in this area because testing was indiscriminate and was costing a fortune.
I tot per culpa de la porta.
The FIA very wisely have curtailed that to pre-season testing.
Però ja sap el que diu el refrán, Más vale pájaro humano que l'indeseable de la porta mordiéndote la pierna.
And now we come to the largest expense in the budget, that is salaries. £14 million and my pet hate.
Quants diners té aquest senyor?
Included in that figure, the costs of the designer, chief mechanic,
És que no porto la cartera, Se l'ha menjat un gos.
the commercial department, the marketing department,
No puc, no llevo suelto.
the costs of the drivers. And please don't fool yourself into thinking that you get Jenson Button or indeed Lewis Hamilton for this figure. That doesn't happen.
És gravíssim!
What I would do is have an experienced professional and an up-and-coming rookie. And you would hope that the up-and-coming rookie would have enough support and financial backing within sponsorship that he would be able to contra the expense and the cost of the existing professional driver.
Però estic ofegant! Treu això, Joan!
Press, PR and publicity. I've only allocated £3 million. And finally, I've included £5 million for admin. That's what you get for your £50 million.
70 milions d'euros!
However, for free,
Gratis, estan bojos!
you get sleepless nights, serious amounts of stress, and endless pressure.